Hello folks, and welcome to vlog number 3, craft beer brewing in Japan. We had a delivery yesterday, and let's check it out. Okay, so I went on Yahoo Auction, which is a Japanese website similar to eBay, where you can bid, buy, whatever. And I decided to buy a 100-litre stainless steel mash tun online. I paid 2,850 yen for it, and 2,000 yen delivery charge. Let's open it up and have a quick look. I've checked these pots out online, and I actually have a 70-litre version of it, which I've used as a boil kettle in the past, so I know they're pretty good quality, for bang for buck basically. And here you go, here's a lid, pretty sturdy lid. They come with this little lip on the back, a little bell, which is really handy because it helps it sit on the side of the pot. Let me just put that down while I get the rest of the pot out of the box. Oh, fair weight. Okay, as you can see, it's a fair sized pot. 98 litres, brand spanking new. Yeah. Okay, so like I said, there's a little bell on the bottom of the underside of the lid. You can hang on the side of the pot, really nifty. Cool. Cheers for watching, folks. I'll keep you posted on what's happening with the brew house and things that I'm buying online to help me build it. Again, please like and subscribe. Cheers, craft beer brewing in Japan. Goodbye.